Hello everyone! I realized that I've been really slack and I haven't done any vlogging for absolutely ages. So I thought that since I'm doing some errands and doing a lot of Christmas prep at home and stuff today, I thought it might be a good day to get some vlogging done. So I'm going to go into the shops, get some bits and pieces for dinner and things, and then we're going to go home and get some Christmas preparation happening. As you can see behind me, it is a really wet day. It is raining, it is windy, so not a lot of stuff can be done outside today, but more chances to do things that I need to get done inside. So let's get moving. Off to the shops first. Alright, I'm finished at the shops. I just thought I'd show you. I'm going to have to put these up because it is darn near impossible to see with mask and glasses. So I just thought I'd show you. We've been having a couple of cases here in South Australia of coronavirus. So I've been using my mask. As you can see, it keeps breathing is strange. I haven't worn a mask for ages. I used to all the time when I was practicing nursing, but I'm a bit out of practice. But yeah, I think we're catching up with the rest of the world. We're just trying to, when it comes to mask wearing at least, we're just trying to kick this in the bud before it spreads. So, and I think we're managing there, starting to relax a couple of restrictions again now. But I still wear my mask even though not all people are. So, but what can you do? Alrighties, I am back home. I've got the groceries to unload and then I need to give the kitchen a bit of a tidy because there is a dishwasher that hasn't been emptied, there are dishes in the sink, and my kitchen island has got toys and stuff on it, and that doesn't do. And for those that saw my last recipe, those little spiced chocolate bites, well, as I mentioned, my little 4-year-old, he loved them so much that he went in the freezer and got them out and he lined them up nicely this morning right here. So I need to wipe down the countertops and tidy up some toys and just get this place put back together again. Alright, so we are all clean here. I just need to wipe down that, but I'm going to do that at the end after I've rinsed off all my cloths. But this side of the kitchen is tidy and clean, and I've just got the island left. By the way, I just have to say, this candle, I bought this about this time last year, Let's see, can I get the, there we go. Yankee candles, and it's like a Christmas collection. And it smells so good. As you can see, I've nearly used up all of it. So it is, excuse me, it is time to buy a new one. I hope to have something similar. It just makes the whole house smell so nice. I love it. And there we go, that is the kitchen all done. It looks a bit better, and it is now ready to get thrashed by the kids that's coming home in like 5 minutes. See, I did realise I didn't show you my Christmas tree. It is literally right next to my kitchen. I just go with usually a red and white and silver theme, and then just pop in some red accents in the in the kitchen just to match. I love this tree. I bought this tree last year, and at night time the star looks really cool because it glows with the lights up there. Oh, let's see, let's just save this. Just realised that's been pulled down. No doubt by little hands who thinks having a Christmas tree up is absolutely exciting. But yeah, I've got a few little sort of bits and pieces up here. I love this bird, it's really cute. And those icicles are some of my favourites. So after all that, I'm now going to have my breakfast. I've just decided to have a smoothie, so I'm going to use some chia seeds, some hemp seeds, and then also my favourite antioxidant fruit blend, which I get from Costco, couple of pieces of frozen banana, and then just almond milk and my BCAA powder as well, so nothing fancy. Alrighty, how good does that colour look? Seriously, this is just one of my absolute favourite blends, and it just makes such a beautifully filling meal, so I'm not gonna need to have anything substantial for lunch today, I think. So I just thought I'd show you, when I'm out and about and I drive a lot, I found I just had a lot of dead time, and I've been finding lately I haven't had a huge amount of time to read. So I've got Audible now. I just want to say this is not sponsored or anything. I just want to show you how much I love it. And I've been listening to audiobooks when I'm out driving. So at the moment I'm listening to this one here, Drums of Autumn, which is the 4th book of the Outlander series, for those that have been watching that on Netflix. So I've got, you can see all the other ones down here. Yeah, I'm just finding I'm getting so much listening done. So that's what I do when I'm out driving. And I'm going to head out for a drive now. I'm going to go down to a music store and see if I can find some Christmas sheet music so I can practice on the piano. Alright, I'm here. Time to head in and see what I can find. Alrighties, so I've been to the music store and I bought this one. So hopefully that should keep me occupied for the next month. and have some fun and hopefully get some Christmas music into the house. Alright, I'm just in the middle of making some chicken soup for lunch today. So it's just puttering away. If you would like the recipe for that, I do have a video on how I make my chicken soup, so I will link that somewhere above and possibly below if I remember. But it is super easy and it is really, really yummy. Okay, this little piece here is what you see when you walk in my front door. So you see straight onto this. I've decided to do a little bit of decoration on here today, but I was running back and forth and tending to my little one at the same time, so I didn't really spend too much time filming. So I thought I'd just film it now after instead. So I still got a few bits and pieces to put down the bottom, but I just had to show you these little two just on the tray here. I bought these I think it was about 6 years ago in Norway when I was back visiting before Christmas, and I just love them. They are so absolutely adorable. It is some of my favorite little Christmas ornaments or little Christmas decorations that I've got. These two here I think I got from either, I think it was BW or Target, and that little fake plant at the back there, that was from IKEA, and I got that one last year. Alright, here is my dinner. It is pork ribs and roast vegetables. We've got potatoes and some beetroot. The beetroot is from the garden, and some carrots around, and that's what I'm having for dinner today. Because it's Saturday, it is our movie night, so we decided we're going to sit down and watch a Christmas movie to finish off the evening. And finally, I thought I'd just have to show you my Christmas tree at night time, just because I love how it just glows and makes this beautiful light in the room, so I just had to show it off. Thank you so much for spending the day with me today, and I wish you all a lovely week ahead.